Flashlight with batteries. Keep in your car. 8-gauge heavy-duty booster cable. Compact storage bag with handles. Most trusted name in travel. As the exclusive licensee of the AAA brand for roadside emergency safety kits, first aid kits and auto safety accessories, you know that you are getting only the finest products. AAA, one of the most recognizable and trusted names in the automotive industry, has been around for more than 100 years and is dedicated to helping travelers with roadside assistance, travel services and more. All of the components within our AAA line of auto emergency safety kits and accessories must meet minimum standards set forth by AAA Engineering Department, and before going to market undergo strict testing requirements to ensure the safety of the product, as well as the ability to live up to its promises. We have created a wide range of road kits, first aid kits, and auto safety accessories, to help meet the safety and preparedness needs of travelers across a wide range of price points. The AAA branded premium road kit contains 42 components to help keep you prepared for those unforeseeable events, ranging from finding your car with a dead battery, or needing a flashlight to look in those dark places under the seats to try and find your kid's favorite dinosaur toy. The 4330 AAA AAA Premium Road Kit contains carry case, 8-foot 8-gauge jumper cables, aluminum flashlight and batteries, 2-in-1 screwdriver, duct tape, emergency poncho, shop cloth, 5 cable ties, 20 bandages, 4 towelettes, reusable zipper lock bag, AAA membership brochure, AAA accident guidelines. Top reviews from the United States. Poor insulation. I tried to jump my Jeep and flames occurred in the jumper cables. This is my first using since purchased as a gift in November 2021. Disregard this review. My Jeep is not mid-sized. Sorry. If given as a gift, make sure the vehicle is 4-cylinder or mid-size, not V8.